Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni irreplaceable espresso machine. So for this machine we just gave it a tune-up, replacing all the little gaskets that you see right here from the groove head, side glass, the groove head piston, the piston itself, as well as the gasket that is on the steam valve. We also gave it a little clean and just make sure that the overlaying of the group head sleeve and the surrounding of the group head were clean and not and they didn't have any buildup of coffee or anything like that. We're also going to be replacing the side glass case. This is the newer one. This is the older one. We're just basically here to check if there's any leaks or anything like that. So this machine's been on for quite a while already, and as you can see, there's not any leaks anywhere at all. So we're just going to test it out with one shot of espresso. So let me get my cup. Okay, we're back, and hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise, we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. By the way, we're not using the machine's portafilter as we do not have it. So we're gonna be using one of our machine's portafilters. And as you can see, nice extraction coming out of the machine. Looking great. Excellent quantity as well. Nice shot. Definitely drinking this. Alright, let's remove it, as I am going to be using the steam one right now, and I don't want to damage the shot itself. So as you can see, have a nice steady steam coming out of the machine. We're having the door open, so it's a little bit hot, we don't get to see that much, but it is quite good. Excellent pressure, excellent temperature, looking great. And there you have it, La Pavoni Piccola working once again. Just give me a second, let me just close this. It was on the opposite side. And there you have it, La Pavoni Piccola working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.